all on my lane. You all on my lane. You ain't overlooked. So get out the way. I gave you the book. I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you need no. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a seed note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most incredible chicken bacon ranch casserole, but hold on for a second. Hey, you guys subscribed yet? If you haven't subscribed, go subscribe. Yeah, let's get back into it now. So first up, we're gonna show all the ingredients. We got the cream cheese. Now all these ingredients, you can get them at your local Walmart. That's where I got all these ingredients from. And we got the cheese mix, we got mozzarella, we got Monterey Jack, and then we got cheddar, and that's a mild cheddar. Then we got some bacon bits. You can cook your own bacon, or if you don't like bacon, you can use turkey bacon. Then we got broccoli florets. We got 2 pounds of broccoli. Then we got a package of ranch seasoning. And then we got some cream cheese, well, some heavy cream. I already showed you the cream cheese. We got heavy cream, and then we got some no sodium chicken stock, and that's unsalted. So make sure you get all these ingredients. Make sure you get unsalted too. Then we got Lawry's, and that's the no MSG added Lawry's. And then we got our chicken thighs. We're gonna go ahead and season that up, and that is 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs just diced up. We're gonna season that up, and then we're gonna go ahead and toss that in a pan with some canola oil and go ahead and cook them chicken thighs all the way through. And you want to cook this all the way through because you're not going to be in the oven too long in this casserole. You're just going to brown the top in the oven, but go on and cook that chicken all the way through. And once you cook that chicken all the way through, since these are chicken thighs, you want to remove the chicken from the pan and get rid of that excess oil or grease that was accumulated at the bottom, because you don't need that. But try to keep that fond at the bottom of the pan after you get rid of that oil. And we're going to go ahead and deglaze that fond with some of that unsalted chicken stock. And this is where we're going to begin to create the depth of flavor and with this dish here. So go ahead and scrape the bottom of the pan, get all that fun off the bottom. And once you get all that fun from the bottom of the pan, go ahead and we're gonna add our heavy cream. And once you add the heavy cream in there, I added a quart of heavy cream. So we did a quart of heavy cream and a quart of unsalted chicken stock. And that's going to be our liquid base for this here casserole. And you don't need any thickeners because you're going to kind of reduce it a little bit. And with the cheese, it's going to kind of thicken itself up. But there you see me scraping the rest of the fond off of the pan. And once I get that heavy cream kind of warm, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken stock to it to dilute it and give us some incredible chicken notes when it comes to this chicken bacon ranch casserole. All right, once we get all our chicken stock in there and we bring it up to a simmer, go ahead and add your cream cheese. And I just diced that cream cheese up and went ahead and added it. And then just continue to whisk it in there. Try to make sure it's smooth. Once you get that cream cheese mixed in there, go ahead and add your ranch packet in there. You only need 1 ranch packet, but some people like ranch flavor, so I guess you can add 2 if you wanted to, but realistically you only need 1. That thing contains a lot of sodium. And then once we get that ranch packet all incorporated, we're going to go ahead and add half of our cheese in there. And I went in with a 1/2 cup of each cheese, so you're going to put half of that cheese inside the casserole. And the other half, you're going to reserve it on the side because that's what we're going to pop on the top to finish our casserole with. But go ahead and continue to whisk. And I got it at a low temperature. And I'm just tasting, make sure we don't need any seasonings. And we do. So I added a little Lawry's. And that's why our Lawry's come into play. Now, remember, we did season the chicken with Lawry's as well. So always just taste and make sure it's not too salty or it has enough flavor for you. So always taste during the cooking process. But once you get that all mixed in there, you're going to go ahead and continue to whisk it in there. And then we got our black pepper. We just added some black pepper in there for flavor. And I added about a teaspoon of black pepper. You can keep that, omit that. It's pretty much up to you. But I felt like this dish did need the black pepper. And once we get our sauce where we need it, The consistency is good. The flavor is good. We're going to go ahead and add our chicken into our pan and continue to stir that chicken inside that. And yeah, continue to stir that chicken in that sauce. And I went on with the chicken and the juices that was accumulated in there, added it all into there. And then I went on ahead and added my 2 pounds of broccoli. And also I cooked a cup of rice. I got plenty of videos showing you how to cook rice, but I just steamed a cup of rice, and that's what I'm going to add to it. So you see my casserole was a little bit looser, and I made it a little bit looser because I wanted to add the rice. But you're going to do 2 cups of heavy cream and 2 cups of the chicken stock if you wasn't adding rice and you was making it 100% keto. That is an option, but I wanted rice because I wanted the body to it. Once you get everything all stirred up over the stove, go ahead and pop it into your casserole dish. Now I did put some non-stick spray on the casserole dish just to help us out when we get ready to clean it. Once we get all that casserole inside the dish, go ahead and top it with the remaining cheese. And you're going to top it from edge to edge with the cheese because you want to get good color on this cheese. And then once you get that cheese on there going with our bacon, like I said, you can cook your own bacon, you can buy bacon, but I want this recipe to be pretty much easy for you guys, especially with school starting back and it's getting cold. I want you to be able to just get all the ingredients and pop this together. So this is not extra chefy. This is actually for the home cook. This video was pretty much designed for you guys. But we're going to pop it into a 400 degree oven for about 10 minutes. And once it's done, there you have it, man. The most incredible chicken bacon ranch casserole. And I just topped it with some parsley just to make it look all pretty because of the contrast with the cheese and the bacon. So you needed a pop of green visually. But there you have it, man. The most incredible chicken bacon ranch casserole. This thing was so delicious. And I'm telling you, a casserole like this feeds a family of 4 for about 2-3 days. So that's how it fed us. It's extra simple. Like I said, all the ingredients you can get at your local Walmart. Everything was great value. Actually, I use great value products there, except the ranch seasoning. But you can get great value ranch packet. But there you have it, man. The most incredible chicken bacon ranch casserole from the Bistro. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. The channel is growing and I'm loving the growth of the channel, man. You guys are fantastic. But yeah, thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Chicken bacon ranch casserole from the Bistro. I'm out.